Welcome to PumpSpy's Dual Pump Install Kit installation video. Begin by connecting the included threaded check valves to each of your pumps. Connect the included rubber couplings to the top of each threaded check valve. Next, slide 2 hose clamps over each rubber coupling. Then, connect each end of the PVC manifold to the rubber couplings. Using a standard screwdriver, tighten the hose clamps to secure the threaded check valves to the PVC manifold. Lower the 2 pumps, connected by the dual pump install kit, into the sump pit. Measure the distance between the PVC manifold and your discharge pipe. Then, connect an included rubber coupling with hose clamps to the top of the PVC manifold. Cut PVC pipe to the desired size and connect it to the top rubber coupling. Tighten the hose clamps on the top rubber coupling to secure the PVC manifold to the PVC pipe. Lastly, connect the discharge pipe to the remainder of the discharge system. Your 2 pumps will now discharge to a single discharge line.